I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment, and Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi, by Malawi for Malawi.
Oyimba athu akupitirira kupikisana mu mpikisano umenewu wa I Can Sing It Better, ndipo masabata apitawa anthu munali mukuvotera anthu amene anawina ma Silver Rabbit, ndipo pa anthu 5 amene anali pa ndandanda umenewu anthu 3 apambana, ndipo amene ndi Ive Chidzanja, Michelle Mwanamayi ndi Memory Kandikole. Ndingokulandirani majudges athu, tangotuzani kuti kodi lero mukuyembekezera chani kuchoka kwa ma contestants athu. Tiyambe ndi Joseph.
Kodi ndi amene atapiririra baba pa onse akumenya athu.
Okay. Chabwino nanga Luke ukuyembekezera chani?
Lero ndikuyembekezera kuti anthu 15 amene waluso laoli ali kuitsatso bwino ntchito mwina kuposa amene anayimbira masiku ambuyo mukuti apitirira mu mpikisano amene.
Alright, and today we have a guest judge. Welcome, Cindy. Tangotuza zokuti kwa ma contestants athu, as someone who has won a singing competition before, ukuyembekezera chani?
The game is tough, so aliyense abweretse a game yake. Ife rakhonzeka ndithu, I hope nawo sakhonzeka.
Okay. Alright, and tipitirire ndi program yathu apa tiyitane contestant wathu oyambilira amene itakondwa achimwala.
Yes, TK.
Yes.
Bobo.
Yeah, Rar.
Okozeke?
Yeah, the Bobo.
Okay, lero walibwetsa zolani TK.
And abwera ni nyimbo ya Pentalanga.
Aha.
Originally done by Lulu.
Chabwino.
Yeah.
Tiye nayo ase.
Didalila mukalenane Potitu alaloa Dima wayamba Didalila mukalenane Kolowela kwina dilibe Didalila muyende nane Poti araninso angondizungulira Didalila muyende nane Buye siningate bandika Ili ndipempelo langa Ili ndipempelo langa Pozindikila kuti ndinu mnandilenga Ili ndipempelo langa Ili ndipempelo langa Ili ndipempelo langa Pozindikila kuti inu mnandilenga Ili ndipempelo langa Ili yeah Ili ndipempelo langa Pozindikila kuti inu mnandilenga Ili ndipempelo langa Ili ndipempelo langa mbuye Ili ndipempelo langa Pozindikila kuti inu mnandilenga Ili
Okay. TK. I say, TK, umaimba po, general. I like your singing and nyimbo mafeel, all that. One thing I think ndinanena so the time you came, strength imangofunika punch, urangoti ukakonzeka element kameneko setike komano. Other than that, umaimba bo.
Thank you.
Just that one element, yeah.
Hi, TK.
Hi.
That was nice.
Thank you.
I think I think tension yaba stage imatokarago, so it affects your tone when you're bringing the voice out. But I love it that the second you started going up the song, going up the pitch as well, I think you started coming out as TK. As per your tone, I think the pitch, it was nice. I wanted so much of the emotions because nyimbo hii has emotions in it. So I really wanted to see that in you, which I know you can do. So I think you should practice on that as well.
All right.
Sure.
Hey, TK.
Hi.
Zapopo.
Yeah, Raf.
All right. What I would say is, I think this is the third time you're singing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of improvement if I compare the Menona and Bila last time. However, as I always say, this is a well-known song. I would have wanted to see a lot more creativity in your delivery of the song, right?
Yeah.
But you kept it a bit flat in your singing. I would have expected to hear at least something that I haven't heard about this song. Yeah, whereby I would go like, wow, if I am to compare with the original composer of the song. However, I think your delivery is fine. I loved it when you were transposing, you remained in key. So that was good.
Thank you.
Sure.
I can sing it better.
Hi, Memory.
Hi,
How are you?
fine and you?
I'm okay. Lelo madibwesela yani.
A song,
Done by who?
Naomi Rain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aye. Dear Nazon.
What song are you doing?
Jesus said this thing.
Ah, okay, fine.
Jesus saw the center of it all. Jesus saw the center of it all. From
Okay. Are you feeling okay? Are you okay?
Yes, but
Okay.
the instrument is the problem.
The instrument is the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. I think vocal-wise, I feel you're okay. What you need to work on is just, I saw you stepping down, yeah, like umai sunga bidija. I think that one, you really need to work on that one. Yeah, nyimbo anthu asama kusokoneze yeah. And I love it kuti suna isiye nyimbo yo unapitirira ngakhale unakha kuti wala kuitsaka ya waponya unaipitiriza. That's a good spirit. As a musician, one has to do that. You have to still continue with the song. So keep that up.
Thank you.
Sure.
Memory,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. What's wrong?
The instrumental.
Did you practice?
Yeah.
And it worked, right?
Pang'ono makanika upeza nini makao siyana.
Okay, I'm being tempted to forgive you for that mistake. Because when that happened, I wanted to concentrate on your voice and on your singing. And I didn't want that to distract me, just as it didn't distract you. But one most important thing, you need to train your ear to listen, right?
Yes.
Listen and follow the progression of the instrumental so that you don't get stuck along the way.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I've loved your pitch, your vocal texture, and how you handled the song, despite the fact that you missed the progression along the way. Sure.
Thank you.
Memory.
Yeah.
Lero mwabwera ndi mantha. Mantha, this is not the memory amene ndamuona maulendo awiri takhala tukupanga zinthu izizi lerolo. So now you know what happens. Mantha amakupanga affect performance edi.
Yeah.
So make sure kuti ngati mungadutse apapa next time mufatse ndithu mpeze nyimbo bwinobwino yoti mwayipanga practice kuti ukamabwera uli ndi confidence ndede maoso amatuluka bwino. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Usampata win. Agreed it moyo wako. Dati play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Usampata win. Agreed it moyo wako.
Mwina sumuzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndi yovomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amahiri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
Hi, and welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics. Most of you have been shopping with us for over 20 years, whether it be for musical instruments, electronics, or appliances for home or office use, all from top quality, original brands. We are now excited to announce that we are moving from our Area 3 location by NBS Bank to this, South Park Mall, some 200 meters away from our old location. For directions, if you are coming from Lilongwe Post Office in Area 3, head up the road past NBS Bank. Continue to the T-junction by Total Filling Station. Take a right and you'll find South Park Mall on your left. We look forward to welcoming you to our new location at Hi-Fi Electronics.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
I can sing it better.
Hi,
Hello.
is that Edna?
Yeah.
Ah, good. What have you brought for us today?
I will be singing Leon Bridges,
Okay,
Liva.
all right. You can start.
Thank you. Been traveling these wide roads for so long, baby. My heart's been far from you. 10,000 miles gone. Oh, I wanna come near and give every part of me, but there's blood on my hands and my lips aren't clean. In my darkness, shall remember Mama's words re-echoed of me. Surrender to the good Lord, and you wipe your slave clean. Take me to your river. I wanna go now, baby. Go on, take me to your river. I wanna go. Take me in your smooth waters. I go in as a sin with many crimes. Come for you as my sins flow down the Jordan. Oh, I wanna come near and give every part of me, but there's blood on my hands and my lips aren't clean. Take me to your river. I wanna go.
Wow. Okay.
All right. That was good. I enjoyed that one. All I can say is your pitch shouldn't be that sharp. Make sure that I love the tone of your voice, so I really want to hear that so much. The sharpness in your pitch, you should tone it a little bit down. Yeah, I don't know if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. I really love that tone that you have. So stick to that one, kwambili. Other than that, it's really good. I love you were walking around the stage. Yeah, I also wanted so much emotion because that song is so emotional as well. So I wanted you to show forth that emotion. Yeah.
But she did.
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
From a facial and music-wise, it's different. You can be singing, bringing that emotion. So your facial expression should also do that as well. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Edna, if you ask me, your singing was more like a journey where you took us along, right? Wherever that river is, you took us to that river. I think I loved every aspect of your singing, so I enjoyed that one. That was good. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bobo.
Oh.
Ine muntu yule ndribe na jifu. So zote mtimedo mmadito laba. Mukuti apa. Komano, I thought Gudi, you have I enjoyed the performance. This just tells Gudi I enjoyed the performance. So you have maintained what we have seen the past set you came and this one and Gudi, keep it up, ready? Yeah, you can just maintain the standard. Don't go what's that say about ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Can work. Hi, Jose.
Hey,
You good?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yourself?
I'm good. I say my name is Jose.
I think you must expect something that you're not used to.
Wow.
From me,
Uh-huh.
yeah, that's what I can say.
Tena.
Yeah.
Tena yose.
Okay.
Izindizo kakamiza ndalema ndatoba izindizo kakamiza ndalema ndatoba akanditana ine ndimapita koma ndikamuitana amandikanira kumuimbila foni amangoidula koma akandiimbila ine ndimayankha kupita kwao samandilandila koma iyeyo amalandilidwa kama enda naye ndima munyadila koma iyeyo amalandilidwa koma ndikakhala pe ndimatifusa anzanga chikundi nchichotani ngati zikutile tisanatenga kuti zingateke tililimoti fupa lokakamiza limaswampika ngati sakukonda tabola omusiwe utavurikana ngati unkakamila uyang'ane wina okukonda fupa lokakamiza limaswampika iwe ngati sakukonda tabola omuleke utakhala kapola ngati unkakamila uyang'ane wina okukonda. Listen. Chikundi cheni cheni ndi mphatso yochokera kwa mlengi iwe sichililaso mampala chimangoenda mabwino usakukondayo ndi chipinjo uvomeleze si wako iwe utalilana amene time before it's too late upaloka kamiza limasompika ngarisa kukunda otabola omusiye utamvurika nae ngari unkakamila uyangane wina okukonda fubaloka kamiza limasompika iwe ngari sakukunda tabola omuleke utakala kapola ngari unkakamila uyangane wina okukonda.
Yeah, hey.
Hey, I say,
Joseph.
Yes.
Ah. I say, lero lwabwanza chilendo ifete nazolowera mayamba za chizungu. All right. Akulu.
Yeah.
What you've done today is amazing, man. You've owned the song. This is what we mean when we say I can sing it better. Because if you ask me, you've sung it better. Right? And I will say it. Even sang it better than the composer. Yeah.
Milandu.
No, I'm talking about what I'm.
Oh yeah.
I've just listened.
Yeah.
You right? You've brought in some stuff that I'm like, wow. I like your creativity. Today you've got presence on stage. But I know you could have even done much better looking at the vibe that the song is coming out with.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed that, man. Keep it up.
Thank you.
I'll let guy anemago aguze zonse zimene zili kundima before I come in.
Anem lero mwayebatsa moto. Tisaname nyimbo iyi inuyo mwainyamula kukhala ngati yanu. Ndinazachita kuyang'ana kuti kodi nguri akuimba yaskepa ija kumano because unaipanga kuti umaveka kuti ndiwewe,
Yeah.
which is good. Anthu ambiri timalimbana nawo because amafuna kuti amveke sungati yemwe anaimba nyimboyo. Koma I liked what you did. I enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Joseph, that was so amazing. You did well. Go into the musical techniques, yeah? So forgive me for saying this, but it's not like it's a bad thing. You have just to work on that. I feel like you should practice so much kumagwa, but don't know point.
Okay.
Don't need izikhala kuti waigwira ndithu yagwirabo isamakhale mumulengalenga yayo. Other than that, everything is just fine.
Okay, thank you.
You did well, right? Yes. Beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you, Joseph.
Thank you.
All the best.
Next time we'll have one beat, eh?
I can sing it better.
Welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics, where music enthusiasts can find the best selection of high-quality audio equipment. At Hi-Fi Electronics, we believe in providing our customers with the best possible service and support. Our team members are trained to be experts in our products and are passionate about sharing their knowledge with our customers. Our amplifiers and speakers are designed to deliver the clearest and most dynamic sound, whether you're playing live or recording in the studio. Our electric guitar selection includes the latest models from top brands, and our knowledgeable staff can help you find the perfect one to fit your style. Visit Hi-Fi Electronics today and upgrade your home with the latest home appliances and electronics.
Like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agree it moyo wako. Dati play like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agree it moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amahiri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
I can sing it better.
Hi Ive.
Hello.
Mwachena.
Zikomo.
Yeah, I hope nyimbo so ichena so wambili
Ichena.
Okay, leo mudimbira jani?
Limba nyimbo ya Eliza Mponya Kadyerere.
All right. Ai, stage ndiano.
Zikomo.
Masugani.
Zikomo.
Nanga oya ineo ndima kugonda mwana wanga iwe usiku sinagone kuganiza za mwana wanga ari waganiza mofatsa kufuna gawo la chuma chake koma ndikaganizira khalidwe la mwanayo ineo nkhawa ikundigwira oya dziko la chilendo Ive akakhala bwanji anthu mukuona lelowa chifukwa aona kakwachaka nanga komwe akupitako moyo wake ukakhala bwanji mama ine sinagone zavura kumpanda koma kuti ndi chisankho palibe chomwe ndingachite ineyo ndimupatsa gawo lomwe wapemphalo akazionera konko ndi pamene angadziwe kufunikira kwakholo mwana wanga watengazo dziwe ndizopelewera maziko wachuma iwe wawasiya kuno umapori wasankha ineyo ndikusiya iwe Kadyerere sokudziwa kuti chuma chinabwera bwanjiwe sokudziwa chisisi cha chuma changa kumapori wasankha ineyo ndikusiya iwe Kadyerere kugwa manja mwa Yehova mbale wanga ndikopya nthambi ikagwa mu mtengo usumaula kuwukiridwa kumawawa kupusa kusadziwika zili ngati kuzipana ndi chitseko oya munayamba ndi uzimu mwatsiriza ndi kuthupi munalikale manja mwa Mulungu choonadi mwachitaya mwakomedwa ndi ndalama kucho zachuka za dziko lapansi kumbukirani komwe mukwera.
Amaliza.
Zili bwino.
Zikomo.
Zili bwino kwambiri. All I can say is Nozo performance, work on that one. Nozo performance, I don't know. My watch more like Mumpono in a way. I don't know. I'm a kanga abaniga. My in now, and it musamadi man. Yeah, I don't find yeah, so other than that, that's all right. You were amazing.
Ivy, I love the punch of your voice and the fact that you know how to use your vocal strength, right? That was good. I loved the energy that you brought up when you were singing that song. And there was a lot of confidence today, unlike the last time. Yeah.
Yeah.
However, let me say this: be careful of song choices as well, right? Because slightly, when you're singing the song, it was more on a flat level, right? Your vocal, you maintain it on a straight line.
Okay.
So when you're choosing your songs, you've got to be careful. But I love the energy today. Sure.
Ivy. Lero mabwera ndi mphamvu. Last time tina andaula kuti panaoneka ngati graph yatsika. Koma lero you have tried all your best kuikwezaso. Kuti ifanane ndi pamene unayambira pacha. So keep it up.
Thank you.
Drama umadonesa ija. Simutisira. All the best.
Zikomo.
Chabwino.
Can I?
Yeah, you can.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
Bobo.
Bob.
Yeah, lero tikonzekere zotani.
Zovina.
Vanessa ba?
Yeah.
Chabwino. Tivinitse.
Wanna be a superhero, wanna be a superman. Cinema go on agakelo, my way only future plan. Sometimes I wonder, udawala banji Mumvera, baby, wawocha mafailo. Composure, nampeza only, don't toza. Hey, whenever, when you feel lonely, I'm just a call away. When you call me, I'll be on my way. Baby, I'll be on my way. Give me a call and I'll be on my way. Baby, I'll be on my way. Hello, guardian angel, I'll be on my way. Hello, Nduben poundi dalile, I'll be on my way. My baby, wanga ndiweyo, ondisunga ndiweyo. zokusiya no way, no way, no way. Wanga ndiwe, uzansunge ndiwe, ukatandisiya, I'll be on my way. Baby, I'll be on my way, on my way. Give me a call and I'll be on my way. Baby, I'll be on my way, on my way. Hello, hello. Gari an angel, I'll be on my way. Hello, hello. Do been pounded darling, I'll be on my way. Hey, 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 hey. Do been pounded darling, I'll be on my way.
Wow. Unakonzekela dirasi. Unakonzekela uzavina. Yeah, because I could tell the confidence somo wenda nayo ba stage ipo. Komaso ndibona ukuthi pali improvement from last time you came here. So should you go past this stage, keep it up.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good song choice.
Thank you.
I loved everything. I think the dynamics were really good. You were able to balance up your voice as well. So, oh, you're agreeing to that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. But I wanted to see more dancing because you said so much dancing. So, yeah, so I wanted so much dancing. Yeah, but
I'm a worshiper, can't do too much.
But why composure? Yeah, no, you want it. So, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Just like she said, I missed the dance part. It was there, but you know the way the beat was going, I was like, okay, maybe she's gonna give us more. However, I've enjoyed your performance. I'm loving the local vibe today.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think today it's gone local. So, and I love the way you guys are coming up and how you did that song. That was good. So, looking forward to seeing more from you.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Okay.
Perhaps more dancing next time.
Zamangira salu.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
Like a champion, Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usambata win, agreed it moyo wako. Dati play like a champion, Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usambata win, agreed it moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amahiri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
I can
Tracy.
Hi.
You look good.
Thank you. Okay, today I'll be singing Hallelujah by Alexander Burke.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
No, I was just talking about the song.
What a song choice. Please, the floor is yours.
Thank you. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The barefoot king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hey, yeah. Maybe there's a God above, and all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear tonight. It's not someone who's seen the light, and it's a call, and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 yeah. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, hey, yeah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Thank you.
It was really, really nice. I love that one.
Thank
you. You're amazing. I love your vocal stability. It's really nice. You when you get a key, you actually like stick to it. You know, Zimavud and Hambili, when we go high, we tend to like, you know, we stammer a bit with the pitch. That was really nice.
Thank you.
Kwambili. Work on your breath.
Okay.
Yes.
I will.
This song has so long notes, you know, that really needs you to extend a bit. But other than that, that was really nice and really amazing.
Thank you.
Sure.
Grace.
Yes.
I will repeat something that you said. Work on your breath. Right?
Yes.
I enjoyed your performance, your singing. and your vocal dynamics, you know. There were places where I would feel like, okay, is she going to go higher? But then you had to divert and go alto, right? That was beautiful. But as he says, you were cutting some really beautiful notes that my ear would expect you to take it longer. But then you are cutting the notes like, so work on your breathing so that at least you can be able to sustain a note a little bit further.
Okay.
But that was beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Grace.
Hi.
Yeah, better than last time. Ndaona kuti tikafanizira ndi the previous one. This one was much better. You just need to work on the tone, eh? The tone kuti izibwera be inake well controlled. Izituluka beautiful, the tone. Koma ndaona kuti pali this time is better than last time. Yeah. All the best, Grace.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
macontestant athu nde ayipatsa moto. I'm not sure kuti ma judges kumeneko mnaziona bwanji.
Okay, lero nde nali yovuta kwambiri ngati takhalapo ndi nthawi yovuta chiyambireni competition lero nde was one of the toughest because tinali ndi the cream aliyense amayimba bwino nde to even see kuti kodi apapa it was really tough.
Nanga enano mwayiona bwanji.
Zalakwika kuti ndabwera tsiku la tough kwambiri. Because everybody was just so fine. Amabanga bwino kwambiri. Tikuwapititsa anthu akunyumba chifukwa choti osatiforisa mayimba bwino. Koma chifukwa choti ndondomeko yake kuyeneka utero. Komano everybody was just fine and really good today. Sure.
All right. Look, kumeneko one of our toughest judges.
All right. First, I want to say I love the fact that today I heard a lot of local songs. People today sang songs that are sung by Malawians, and that's beautiful and quite encouraging. And the competition was tough. Everyone put their best. And you know, in such circumstances, it's not easy to find who's done well, who hasn't. But anyway, it's a competition and things have to happen.
All right,
Yeah.
Reaching this far, ndirane ma contestant athu mubwere pa stage pano. All right, manja mwanga muno ndili ndi verdict ya anthu enani. Ena mwa inu mukupitirira pamene ena ndekuti tikupatsana bye-bye. Competition I can sing it better ulendo wanu khala zokuti wathera pomwepa. Koma mwina ndingofunsako mmodzi mwa inu kuti kodi tsiku la lero mwaliona bwanji. Joseph.
Tsiku la lero, of course, not tough. Komano, I put through, and I hope what I did was enough. Yeah, that's what I can say.
All right, nde mosatayitsa nthawi ndiyitane takondwa ndi memory muime patsogolopa. Majaji atakambirana aona kuti memory ndi takondwa leloli pamene tukamba pano jane yanu mu I can sing it better yafika kumalechereche. Tikufunireni zabwino zonse pamene mukupitiriza singing career yanu. Mwina ndingofunsa kuti kodi waphunzirako chani mu mpikisano umene wa I can sing it better?
Mpikisano umenewo ndaphunzirako ma skills ena mene munthu ukhoza kumayimbira chifukwa timangoyimba mwina zinthu zina silimazidziwa koma apa taphunzira zambiri nde tikapita kuku tikakoza zimenezozo.
Mwina takondwa tangondiuza kuti kodi apapa singing career yako what's the next step?
This is Endabo. I loved what my judges Amakalabunduza. That will help me to become a better musician. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
All right, wishing you all the best as you continue with your singing careers. Sure. Tikatera tafika pa malechereche a program yathu ya I Can Sing It Better pamene tasankha anthu 5 oyambirira amene akhale akulowa mu top 10 ya mpikisano umenewu. Ine langa dzina ndali nafe chunga, pitirizani kuonera Zodiak Television.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.